The WNOVA 11'6" inflatable stand-up paddleboard offers remarkable portability, effortlessly deflating and rolling into a compact size for easy transport. Constructed from military-grade dual-layer PVC and high-density woven materials, this paddleboard is exceptionally durable and puncture-resistant, ensuring longevity. The board's 35-inch width provides outstanding stability, supporting up to 430 pounds, making it ideal for two adults to enjoy without fear of tipping. Safety is a priority with a high-elasticity leash and non-slip EVA surface, along with multiple handles for easy maneuverability and transport. With storage straps on both ends, a 10-liter dry bag, and a waterproof phone pouch, the board offers ample storage solutions for your essentials during water adventures. Additional accessories such as a dual-action pump, a versatile 4-piece paddle, a repair kit, and a shoulder strap enhance the overall convenience and usability of the package.